officially day 2 of our vacation. We were starving this morning, so we didn't even get to record. So we are here now at the buffet having our round 1. I'm having French toast and crepe. There's my mimosa. He already finished his plate. And then I'm gonna have my coffee soon. Round 2 is looking like we're gonna get omelets because I love omelets. After this, we are probably just gonna go to the pool, take some pictures, record a little, and then we'll see you there.
So we just made it to the beach. It's very calm, very quiet.
Clear.
Very clear. Look at my toes. Super laid back. Still really early, so I guess everyone's still sleeping. But we're just here. We were in the pool, but it's freezing.
It's too cold for my liking.
Yeah, the pool's really cold compared to the beach. The beach is actually really, really warm. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit. Today's just a laid back day, honestly. I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna relax.
All right, so now that we're at the beach, we're gonna go ahead. It's not focused. Okay, there we go. We're gonna go ahead, put the camera away, and then start swimming. Apparently, he's beating me to it and already getting in. It's not even waiting for me. What a gentleman. All right, I'm getting a little jealous, so I'm gonna go ahead, put the camera away, and go in. All right, so it's didn't start raining, but it was like really cloudy and it wasn't enjoyable anymore outside. So we just came inside for a little just to relax because I'm super tired. I slept a lot last night, but I'm still very tired. So we just are relaxing on the balcony. He's currently on the phone. We're just gonna wait until the cloud passes, and hopefully it passes because I need the sun. I'm a little sunburnt. Like, it's just my nose. My nose is the first thing that always gets the color. But other than that, I'm not. There's just a little bit, but I need much, much more. I mean, we're here for another week, so we'll be fine. I'm sure I can get some tan here and there. Other than that, we do have dinner plans at 9, I believe, so we'll see you then.
We're here forever.
All right, guys, so we decided to do, what is this called, kayaking?
Yeah.
Kayaking. I'm scared of the snorkeling, so we can't do that right now. But this is our view right now. It's beautiful.
Behind.
Behind me.
Over there to the left, yeah. That's crazy.
It's beautiful. Look at all those rocks. The water is super clear. I'm tanning already. Say hi.
What up?
He's doing all the work. I get tired really quick, so I'll help out a little, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna do this for a while and then see what else we can do. And by the way, this is complimentary, so it's part of the bundle that we did for this resort.
Two. Try it, see if you like it.
Can't believe.
Remember, you don't come and do it, you get the rum on that side.
What is it?
Rum.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you.
Alright guys, so we just got to our reservation. It's a little loud. Literally rushed all the way over. Literally random.
There's so much traffic.
Shut up.
Yeah, and the worst part is, so we made the reservation yesterday, and the guy never even booked it. So we got here and they're like, no, you don't have a reservation. And this restaurant is like mad picky to get in because you have to book like a week in advance because they're always booked. So we got here and he's like, oh no, you don't even have a reservation. But luckily they saw that they had an opening and they put us in. But it's really loud and they're about to start, so we'll show you what we're doing in a bit, alright?
You really wanna know what they call me ching ching? You really wanna know what they call me ching ching? You really wanna know what they call me ching ching? I got the big. You know my name is King, I'm the bottom thing. My beef tastes better than your local Burger King. Wait a minute, stick again. I got the book in. This is teriyaki, not KFC chicken. I know it tastes nice. You don't have to tell me twice. I put the teriyaki sauce in the fried rice. I know it's very common. You cook it on the top end. You like to taste the salmon. You hear it say yaman.
Yaman.
Say yaman.
Yaman.
One more time. Say yaman.
Yaman.
Here we go. Say yaman.
Yaman.
Money, 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 money. Sing it with me. Money. Money, 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 money. Sing it with me.
Money.
Money, 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 money. Come on.
Money.
This year I gotta be the winner because I ain't going home without Jada Kiskin. I'm in the money, money making mode. Gotta go home with my daughter's food. This year I gotta be the winner because I ain't going home without Jada Kiskin. I'm in the money making mood. Got home with my damn food. Ching ching, I'm popular. I'm on Facebook, YouTube, TripAdvisor. I'm Jamaicanese. I never left the spatula. No, you know, I'm the real entertainer. What's my name?
Ching ching.
I'm the greatest. When it comes to show cooking, you know I'm the best. On the flat grill, here I have chicken breast. Later on, we cooking up the beef breast. Now marinade, I gotta put it to the test. But when it done, I actually eat it for the 10 years.
Literally got back and we're full, like uncomfortably full. We couldn't even finish our drinks. We just left and we're like, okay, it's time to call it a night. There wasn't really any shows going on tonight, and if there was, it was during our dinner, so we couldn't go and see, obviously. But we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. We do have some activities planned tomorrow, which we plan on taking you guys with us, so that should be fun. All right, bye. All right, so it is day 3 of our vacation. It's currently 7:30 in the morning, and we are on our way to activity. We're going to the Duns River, which everyone recommended, so we're gonna do that first as our first activity for this trip. You want to say anything? No? Okay. So we'll see you guys when we are closer to the location.
So we just made a pit stop. We're stopping at a spot in Ocho Rios before we go, just to like use the bathroom, grab some food, grab some drinks. I guess it's protocol, they have to stop here because we have like another hour to drive. So I'll show you guys around. It's like very like not modern, but I would consider it modern to the things we've seen so far as we're driving. Like none of the buildings are like fully built or anything like that, but it's pretty cool. They have a gift shop, they have like a little bar area, they have like a little food convenience like stand, restroom, but I'll show you it in a second and then we can go from there.
So this is the gift shop area. I'll show you a little. They have cups.
Half prices for you. All the cups, bottles are half price, souvenirs half price, clothing half price for you.
Shot glasses.
You don't mind coffee?
Then over here they have keychains. We're always looking to see if we can bring some things home for everyone, that like for our family.
Represents the trip basically.
Yeah. We always take at least, we have like a little collection of shot glass from every location that we've been at. So we're gonna keep the tradition going and getting a shot glass in every single location. After this, I think we're just gonna go straight to the river. So hopefully it doesn't take long because it's been a long ride. I fell asleep like 3 times already.
I think we have another hour left.
Oh, great. Okay, so maybe we have another hour, maybe less, hopefully, and then we'll see you at the river.
Hey guys, so we just made it to Dunn's River.
Finally.
Yeah, took a while. I don't even know where we're going. Is this the right way?
Yeah, there's another way.
Okay. It's basically free for all. So you get in, you get your tickets, and then you just walk up, and then you try to find the falls, and then there's a tour guide that takes you from there.
But they also have a park.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, there's like little things that you can do if you don't really want to do the fall, like climbing.
Okay. Well, we'll show you when we get there. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
I don't know if you can hear us, but we're climbing the waterfall right now. But let me show you real quick what we're doing.
Say hi.
Crazy waterfall. The water's nice and cold too, but it's refreshing.
Ready? Oh, my lady's coming. Lean back. Come in, mama. Woo! Hey, no drowning, man. Put your arms around him. Give him a kiss and take him away. 1, 2, 3, praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We were on our way back to the resort and we had like a little pit stop and we stopped just to eat lunch here. It's, I don't remember.
Something like famous jerk chicken.
Yes, some famous jerk chicken spot. This is what the location looks like. I don't think you guys can see much. Alright, so they have the bar here. That's the highway. Little seating area. And then this is where we get our food. So we ordered jerk chicken and just plain rice to keep it safe. So we'll definitely give a review once we do eat it.
So we just got it. That's how it comes. Comes in a little box. Chicken, rice, coleslaw, some sauce. We also got some fresh fruit drink here that they have. So try it. See how the picky girl likes it. Spicy.
A little bit.
The dry seasoning.
Oh, the rice is good.
So we're gonna finish eating and then we'll catch you guys probably at the resort.
So we are back to the resort. Dunn's River was great. I really enjoyed it. I'm glad I didn't slip or fall because I'm always that one person to just fall in front of everyone. But now they have like a circus theater thing going on, so we're gonna go watch that, and then they go ahead and go upstairs to like a small, what is it, loft?
Yeah, kind of like a loft.
Kind of like a loft. So they do that, and then until midnight, and then they go into the club that they have that's called Boogie Woogie.
I don't know if it's circus. We'll see.
We'll see.